This is going to be the morning brew for Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So yesterday in the market, we were talking a little bit about the termination here in the daily that was going to be providing some sell opportunities. So we were looking at the 32s was significant, and also the 35.5, and you can see obviously price popped higher up through it. We had some definite strong intraday patterns to not step in front of that train, but after we popped above this 35.5 level up and through here, you can see here on our focus chart we had a perfect weak dot push to sell when we got up into that daily termination. So you can see what the monthly is doing. We're down retesting a block. The dots are very strong as we challenge this crest up here. So this is essentially, we're in this weak dot push sell opportunity from, this is not only the monthly doing this, but the weekly was doing this too for the sell, right? So at this point, we've got this weak dot pulls down off the main channel line. After we just bounced up out of a retest of the block in this quarterly monthly support area. So we've broken below a valley of support, and we've got that now above us as significant resistance. So let's have a look at the weekly. So the weekly dot here is pulling up off the main channel line a little bit. We're in a trend down. We still, 3 bars below the solid white midline. We have not been able to get back to the midline. You'll see the midline drawn here on this daily chart here to the right. This is the midline here, this white dotted line here at about, let's see, about 85. Actually, it comes in at 1992. So with respect to the daily action, you can see that yesterday the dot was straight on the main channel line right here, and the energy, we got some brick momentum even on that energy right on the dot. So today we're pulling down, and we're going to break below this level here. This level here is the top of the monthly energy band. That's the top of the lower monthly energy band at 1912. So that's this thick green line right here. Now, we came down, we tested it, we got a rally off of it yesterday. We weren't able to get above this yellow line right here, which is this is the monthly, 1926 right here was the top of that's the lower yellow, the top of the lower yellow. So we're in this situation where the daily's starting to lose its push up, unable to get up back to the weekly block. In other words, trying for congestion entrance on the weekly. So that's suggesting some definite weakness here. So we're going to be watching this 1912 level, and again, the 1926, we're suggesting that if it breaks today, which we have already, we've broken below, 1926. Let's see here, 1926. We've broken below here today, and we're coming down to, breaking down below that. We're going to be heading on down here to the bottom of the upper yellow here, which is at 1907.5 right here. And in need of a refresh. So we're going to be looking at probably getting down into this 85 level, which is 85.5 level. This is our mid from the daily down here. And this is where support is. You can see how support is lifted up above the termination, having an overlap. We don't have any termination here. So expect kind of a choppy market today. 26 looks like it's going to hold right now as resistance. And we anticipate the other levels below here. This level here at um, what is it, 1907 and a half, and the mid here at 85 and a half, and the top here of the lower energy band 83 and a quarter. So these are the levels in play here today. I would see already we had a bounce up out of there, and we may get a retest to go back up. So I would look for another buy potentially here at the top here of this 07 and a half. And then if that breaks, maybe coming back to it, selling it as resistance, and getting down to about 85 and a half today. That's kind of what I'm thinking.